according to law, and the law which regulates the movement of the planets.
Hey friends,
is no more immutable.
good day.
Which regulates immaterial expressions of man.
Sorry for holding the camera in this position. I don't normally like to hold it like this and make videos, but I just want to show and try to capture this moment right here on this 66 Chevrolet cab, because the roof rot, I thought this area that I'm holding, we could get away and not have to address it, because normally they all rot up in here. So we caught this before it got really bad. Now remember, this is the driver's side, and if you look at my initial videos of this vehicle when it first came in, right here where my four fingers are was on the outer skin of the roof, was all bubbling and rusty. So I took the roof skin off because it was junk, and you know, I was fixing the you know, I had to put that frame rail back in right there in the center of the screen. I removed that and blasted it on the inside and treated it and put primer, and then put the paint on it on the inside and welded it back up. So here I am back here on this. So let me just take this off. If you look right in here, see the light coming through? Right there, that little hole?
Master of mysteries, keeper of records, mighty king, magician.
There's other holes in there. Granted, they're small, but granted, they will start to eat away everything over the years. But since the roof skin is off, it's very easy to take this off and fix it. All up in here, I just sprayed it with the OSPO because I can't really blast that. It would just make a big mess. So I sprayed the OSPO inside. What the OSPO does is that changes the any ongoing active rust into an iron phosphate, and it stops it. So when this dries, I can paint it with this.
But at the time yet unborn,
right here, and then paint it with the black, and then it's better than the factory. So now this piece right here, by my middle finger, I'm going to have to remove this plate right there, and then fix that hole underneath it. These little things will bite you, bite the owner down the line, which I don't want to have happen. Now right here, I just treated that part with OSPO, and I'll do the other side down there, and I'll look for this on that side to see if it's in the same condition, and if it needs the same kind of repair. So, such is life. Such is life here in the shop of Dr. Blast. Listen to that. Listen to that.
The children of men was my father, Thoth, keeper of the great temple, link between the children of light who dwelt within the temple, and the race.
If you want to know what that is, those are the Emerald Tablets of Thoth.
Mouthpiece after the three of the dweller of the
which I will make videos about, but not right now. I'm going to make a whole new thing. I've got a brainstorm in terms of the material I want to synthesize and correlate and bring together. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. Have a good day, folks. Be good. Be happy. Have a smile. Even though the world's going to shit.
Few there were among the
Buckle up, enjoy the ride. A lot of good things are
Not
happening.
as the sons of man are the children of
Choose,
light.
be good.
They are not incarnate in the physical body.